Contemplation of the feelings. But how does the disciple dwell in contemplation of the feelings? And experiencing feelings, the disciple knows, I have an indifferent, agreeable feeling, or I have a disagreeable feeling, or I have an indifferent feeling, or I have a worldly agreeable feeling, or I have an unworldly agreeable feeling, or I have a worldly disagreeable feeling, or I have an unworldly disagreeable feeling, or I have a worldly indifferent feeling, or have an unworldly indifferent feeling. Thus he dwells in contemplation of the feelings, either with regard to his own person, or to other persons, or to both. He beholds how the feelings arise, beholds how they pass away, beholds the arising and passing away of the feelings. Feelings are there. This clear consciousness is present in him because of his knowledge and mindfulness, and he lives independent, unattached to anything in the world. Thus, the disciple does dwell in contemplation of the feelings. The disciple understands that the expression I feel has no validity except as an expression, a common speech. He understands that in absolute sense, there are only feelings, and that there is no ego, no person, no experience of the feeling. And well, the feelings, I guess, different than the emotions, because feelings are more about the senses, you know, the urges and all that stuff of the body. And if you drop off this judgment thing, are in control of the judgment thing, and then you don't suffer as a result of, oh, there's something bad going on sensually, you know,